Hi everybody. Lily. I never know really what to say when it comes to Lily, and of course you're seeing this all of the time because it is all of the time, and a lot of the time when I start a video it can be Lily cruising saying, "Let me come on out, Mum." So anyway, let's get this door open. I've been down, actually. Did you hear that key? Did you hear the key go? I've been down in the linen closet. I have pulled every little thing out, just in case Apani went in there. I've looked under the fridge, behind the fridge, beside the fridge, thinking warmth, heat, left his enclosure open. I have looked, I think I've said in a video, the dust running around all the skirting boards on the floor. I've left a patch all the way around it, just in case Apani decides to go in a certain direction there. I haven't found any track marks even on the morning that I found him actually missing. So man, I've lost days. I think it's the 6th day roughly at this particular point that I've been searching and sitting up late and listening and waiting and where's the camera, Gay? And man, I'm just, I'll never get exhausted looking for him because I want to find him, but my brain is like in constant overdrive, thinking about Apani, looking for Apani, listening for Apani, wondering if he's okay. Where is he? And I know in this short span of time he's going to be okay, and I've got the heater going, and there's plenty of warmth around the house where he can find some heat. So I'm not really worried about that. I'm just more worried that I'll never ever find him, and he's got to seek out water before he's going to seek out food. But yeah, I don't know. I really just, at this point, really the only room that I haven't searched and tipped upside down is my bedroom, which is way down the other end of the house. And yes, there's every possibility that he could have gone down there, though I'm hoping he hasn't, because in my walk-in robe I have a cat door that my cats use to come in and out of the cattery. So Jed, there's Jed. There's his bark for the video, as Jed does in every video for us. But anyway, that's a little bit on Apani and where I'm at. I still haven't found it. I'm going to have to yell, and that's another thing. I'm so patient, and right now all I want to do is snap at everybody and just say, leave me alone. I can't think, I can't concentrate, okay? I just can't do that right now. But I bite my tongue, and yeah. Fingers crossed, guys. Everybody yell out, top of your lungs, Apani, go to Mum, find your Mum. You go find her. She's been doing enough looking for you. That would be absolutely wonderful, and trust me, I've sat here and I yelled, Apani, yeah, really loud. Just hope he's safe. Well, after yapping about Apani for the last whatever minutes this video is, Lily hasn't gone very far. She hasn't gone up to a hangout spot. She came down, she came across, and that's kind of where she's staying. Get a little bit closer, you can see. But Lily has a tendency to do this when I'm not good, when something's upsetting me, when I'm worried, concerned and so forth. This is what Lily will do. She doesn't go far. She just stays pretty close. And I know why. And it's because she senses something's wrong. Apani. Guys, I found Apani. Oh, he's got a little bit of shed on the end of his tail that you can see. I'll get that off, of course. But, oh my goodness, that's all I can say. Like, honestly, not that I'd given up. I hadn't given up. But before I put him down so that you can see him, I'll show you where I found him. The cheeky little, I've got words I could use, but I found him with his tail up here and him coming down, coming across here. And it was only that I just looked, obviously when I did, and here he was. Now if I'd not spotted him when I did, he'd have been in behind that flower and I'd have probably missed him. But it was obvious somehow this dude was able to evade my detection under the fridge or behind the fridge, but I would say that's exactly where he was hiding, and he was doing that also because he was in the process of shedding. So I'm sure that there's a shed down there, and I will at some stage be able to find that. You naughty boy. You really are a naughty boy. And he's this virtually the same colour as my floor. So I was just thinking to myself, how will I find him ever with the colour that he is, and so forth. And I just happened to look up, and which I do constantly for this last week, is I look and I'm looking everywhere, and I just caught that slight little movement. I'm going to have to wet that little end of his tail for him, so I can get that off. But he's certainly not going to be going and disappearing on me again. So guys, I really just wanted to let you know that Apani is being found safe and sound. And you know, he had a little bit of shed on the top of him, so I got that off for him. Not a lot, but he immediately went back into his enclosure and went straight for his water bowl. So he was certainly coming out and going to start looking for some water. So I really wanted to share this with you and let you know, eventually you do find them, or you just spot them, you just don't figure that's it, they're gone forever, and give it up. Just keep on going. And I'm so glad. I feel like the weight of the world has just been lifted off my shoulders today, and it made for the best day ever, I can tell you, to find this little fellow. So don't do that to Mum again, and Mum won't forget to make sure, trust me, that those doors are absolutely 100% closed. So guys, there's the good news. He's home. Well, he never left home, did he? But my goodness, you have no idea how I was with you gone, and the worry and the stress. Guys, take care of yourself and your family and your friends, your snakes. But accidents happen, mistakes happen. Certainly wasn't deliberate, and I'm sure he wasn't deliberately staying away from me either. He just went on a little adventure and decided to shed while he was out. Ciao.